Hello everyone! I have to go get gas, which is one of my least favorite adult responsibilities, especially after a long day of work, but it is a very important one, not only as part of car ownership and being a responsible driver, but also for safety so that you never run out of gas in an unexpected situation. So come get gas with me. And I'm done. Pretty quick, only took about 2 minutes, so now I can go home and my tank is full. Just got home, and the last thing I wanted to share is that you do not have to and probably should not wait until your gas tank is almost completely empty to refill it. Sometimes the low gas lights are faulty and you never know when you might have an emergency and need gas in a hurry. So a lot of people like to go by the 1/4 tank rule, which is if your tank is around 1/4, maybe a little less than that, you go ahead and refill, and then you have enough gas to get you wherever you might need. Thanks for watching. See you next time.